Hi, online students. This is Miss Brinson. I just wanted to give you a quick overview in case some of you guys are struggling or maybe have a little challenge navigating through Canvas. When you first log on to Canvas, you should see your dashboard. In your dashboard, you will see this message, and there are resources here to help you. There's a video that gives you an overview of how to navigate through Canvas, and then there's some other resources available for you. Here's the student self-orientation to Canvas, and then these are some online resources. You, the student, also have a 24/7 helpline through Canvas as well, because I can help you with course content, but sometimes I can't help you figure out why you may not be able to open up something or upload something, or you're having trouble viewing a video or whatever. That's something you want to turn to the Canvas helpline for. Okay, so then there's your courses. So all online courses that you're enrolled in, including the student orientation to Canvas, that should be available in your dashboard. You should be able, from looking at your dashboard, get a quick update on if there's any announcements just from seeing there'll be numbers here to let you know if there's announcements or something. What I'm going to be assessing you guys on throughout the semester is your understanding of the content. So whether you're taking health, safety, nutrition, child growth and development, or child, family, and community, and then I also have my hybrid positive guidance class. You will be mostly using the discussions, which you've already done for your introductions. That was week 1. That's all I asked for you to do during week 1. And then you will be completing assignments and also taking quizzes. In some of your assignments, you will type your work directly into the assignment box, and other assignments you'll be typing into Word and then uploading a Word document or copying and pasting, whichever works for you. I will be looking at your understanding of the content depending on which class you're in, and then also your writing. So I'm looking for college level writing, particularly APA. But if you follow the writing guidelines that we've given you for the department, that should help, the Child Development Writing Guidelines. So no matter which class you're in, if you look at the top module, you should see writing guidelines. Okay, so for each class that you're in, there should be something there that explains writing guidelines. Some of you, I know you may already be familiar with APA, so as long as you're following APA 6th edition, you should be fine. So whenever you're submitting an assignment, you want to make sure you have the appropriate heading. You don't use any font smaller than 11, preferably Arial, Times New Roman, or Courier, some simple font, so no cursive or italics or anything like that. You want to double space your work, and anytime you're asked to write a paragraph or write a short answer or something, you want to try to have at least 5 sentences minimum. Always check and proofread, so it helps if you do your assignment in Word so that you can do your proofreading. Word will do your proofreading for you, and then you can copy and paste your assignment. Throughout this document, there's also resources to help you cite your references. And so this is something I'm going to be looking at, because I know it's easy to find the answers to your work in your textbook, but if you do that, you need to cite and reference your textbook. Otherwise, you are responding in your own words. Okay, so these are the writing guidelines that you should be following, or you could be following APA. So I'm going to stay in this class just as an example. This is CD1, but I know I have other students in other classes, and I'm going to go to the student view. Let me see if I can get there. Nope, I can't. Okay, so let me get out of here. Sorry about that. Anyway, when you first look at your page, you're going to see the announcements, discussions, and so on. Each week, you want to look at the modules. And so for the modules, you'll see week 1, and then what's going to be open by Tuesday morning would be week 2. And in each week's module, you want to look at the checklist. And in the checklist, it's going to tell you what you need to do for that week. Okay. There will be some hyperlinks throughout most of the modules that will take you directly to where the assignment is or the discussion or so on. But if by any chance the hyperlinks are not there, then if you know you have a discussion assignment to do, then you can just go straight to discussions. Or if the assignment tab is open in your class, you can go straight to assignments. Okay. And I think that's it. The same thing will be for quizzes. So quizzes is not open for you to link on. So the only way you'll be able to access your quizzes is if you the assignment is available for you from the front page, or you go into the module and the assignment is available for you in the module page as a hyperlink. Okay, and the quiz. The reason why I do that is because a lot of times students bypass all of this content and they click only on assignments and quizzes, but you end up doing yourself a disservice because a lot of the work is progressive, and so that's how I'm assessing your knowledge as it grows progressively and not just chiming in when there's an assignment due. Okay. I hope this information is helpful to get us started. All of the classes should have a syllabus. Oh, this was the front page that I was talking about where the quiz would be available for you to click on from here also. Oh, and none of the classes, don't worry about the TIA surveys right now. I think there's some trouble with the communication from the SIS system. So we will, I'll notify you guys when the VITIA survey is working properly. Okay, that's it. So let me see what else. That's it. All right, let me know if you have questions. Post your questions in the discussion area under questions, and only if there's something personal related to you only, something is happening with you, whatever, your own personal grades, you can inbox me. Or if you're requesting to use your coupon, which you'll know what that means when you read your syllabus. Other than that, if there's questions about the class or assignments, post them in the discussion area. So all your classmates can benefit from the answer, and you can possibly get the answer faster from your classmates answering for the question for you. Okay, that's it. Bye.